Welcome everyone. Question on polymer. Monomers of BuNaN or NBr or nitrile rubber are choices are A. Phenol and butane, B. Methanol and phenol, C. 1,3-butadiene and acrylonitrile, D. 1,3-butadiene and styrene. Answer is C. 1,3-butadiene and acrylonitrile. Explanation we will see in the next slide. This is 1,3-butadiene and this is acrylonitrile. They react to form BuNaN. Thank you for watching this video.